Friends, today we will learn logic gates. So in this logic gate we will learn first of all OR gate. So in OR gate we will learn the symbol, Boolean equation and truth table. So what is the symbol for the OR gate? The symbol for the OR gate is like this. So this is the symbol of the OR gate. These two are input of the OR gate. We will name it A and B, and output is denoted by Y. So after that we will write down the Boolean equation for this OR gate. So Boolean equation is A plus B. So this is the symbol, this is the Boolean equation, and now we will write down the truth table. So here two inputs A and B, and for that we will get the output Y. So in electronic circuit we are having only two inputs, 0 and 1. So 0 is a normally lower voltage and 1 is high voltage. So we are having the four possibilities, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. You can change this order also, but I will write down in this manner: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now we will work as per the Boolean equation, A plus B. So 0 plus 0 is 0. Then 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Now 1 plus 1 is not 2, because that is in mathematics. In electronics, as I said, 1 plus 1 means what? That is high voltage plus high voltage, that is equal to high voltage only. So that will be 1. So this is the symbol, this is the Boolean equation, and this is truth table. After this OR gate we will learn NAND gate, that AND gate, not NAND gate, that is AND gate. AND gate. So symbol for the AND gate is like this. So this is the symbol of the AND gate. This is the input A and B, and Y is the output. So Boolean equation for the AND gate is A dot B. So that is the multiplication. So after that we will write down the truth table. So in that truth table we will write down the input A and B, then output Y. So again 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So as per this Boolean equation, 0 into 0, that is equal to 0. 0 into 1, that is equal to again 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. So this is the symbol of the AND gate. This is Boolean equation, and this one is truth table for the AND gate. After AND gate we will learn NOT gate. NOT gate is a simple gate. So symbol of the NOT gate is like this. So it is having only one input A, and output of this NOT gate is Y is equal to A bar. So this is the Boolean equation, Y is equal to A bar. So now for truth table, only one input. So only two possibilities, 0 and 1, and output. If input is 0, then output Y is equal to A bar. 0 bar is 1. If the input is 1, then 1 bar is 0. So this is the simple gate which is having only one input, and this is the output A bar. So this is NOT gate. Now after that, we will learn NOR gate. NOR gate is a mixture of OR gate plus NOT gate. So symbol of that NOR gate is, here we will put a bubble. So this is input A, this is input B, this is output Y, and the Boolean equation for the NOR gate is A plus B bar, and the truth table, now A, B and Y. So again, for the two input there are four possibilities: 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0, but 0 bar is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 bar, that is equal to 0. 1 plus 0 is 1, and bar is 0. 1 plus 1, as I said, high voltage plus high voltage is equal to high voltage, but bar of that is lower, यानी कि 0. So it means what? 1 plus 1, that is equal to 1, but 1 bar is equal to 0. So this is the truth table of the NOR gate, which is opposite to the OR gate. And then we will learn the NAND gate. So we will not change these two inputs. So NAND gate is a mixture of the NOT gate plus AND gate. So symbol for that is same as AND gate, but we will put a bubble here. So this is A input, B input and Y output. So Boolean equation for the NAND gate is A dot B, which is a Boolean equation for the AND gate, but if we put a bar, then it will become the Boolean equation for the NAND gate. Now again two inputs, four possibilities. Now we will write down the output. So 0 into 0, that is 0, but 0 bar is 1. Again 0 into 1, 0, 0 bar 1. 1 into 0, 0, 0 bar 1. 1 into 1 is 1, but 1 bar is 0. So this is a NAND gate Boolean equation, symbol and truth table. After that we will learn exclusive OR and exclusive NOR, which can be useful in a JEE or NEET. So exclusive OR can be written as XOR. So symbol of that exclusive OR is like this. This is the input A and B, output Y. It can be written in a two-way. So A plus B plus A is rounded by a circle, and also we can write down this like A bar B plus A B bar. So we will check as per this Boolean equation. So for the truth table, we will write down the four possibilities: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. First of all, we will check the first one, 0 and 0. A is 0, B is 0. So we will check here. A0, 0 bar is 1 into B is 0 plus A is 0, 0 bar is 1. So 1 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 0, that is equal to 0. For this 0, 1, again we will check. A is 0, B is 1. A is 0, it means 0 bar is 1, B is 1, so 1 into 1 plus A is 0, it means 0, this is 1, 1 bar, 1 bar means it is 0, so 1 into 1, 1 plus 0, so that is 1. So when these two inputs are different, 0 1 or 1 0, then output is 1, and when the inputs are same, 0 0 or 1 1, that will change to 0. So this is exclusive OR gate. If we write down the exclusive NOR gate, that is the opposite to this gate. So for the exclusive NOR gate, we will draw a bubble here, and Boolean equation is A plus and then round B bar, and here it will be A bar B bar plus A B. So again there are four possibilities: 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Now we will check first one, 0 0. If A is 0, B is 0, then 0 bar 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0, so that is 1 plus 0, that is equal to 1. Now 0 1, if A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. A is equal to 0, 0 bar is 1, B is equal to 1, 1 bar is 0, and then 0 into 1, so that is equal to 1 into 0 is 0, plus 0 into 1 is equal to 0, that is 0. So when these inputs are different, then it will come 0 as the output. When the inputs are same, so last we will check 1 1. So 1 bar is 0, again 1 bar is 0, plus 1 into 1, so that is 0 plus 1, so that is 1. When inputs are same, the output is 1, and when the inputs are different, and the output is 0. So in this way you can learn these 7 gates